Yes, so here, bibigay ko lang yung summary ng video. So, yung mga traits na dinascuss namin ng dad ko during the interviews about yung commitment, passion, and drive to achieve, and as well as yung vision. Kasi commitment, when it comes to business kasi, pag commitment, hindi lang yan na parang ano eh. Kasi ang business partner mo na parang kailangan ibibigay mo talaga yung sarili mo as in 100%. And for passion, kasi when it comes sa business, hindi lang naman siya para kumita ng pera eh. I mean, passion should always come first pagdating sa business. Kasi business is like a hobby na kailangan nandun yung puso mo. Kaya, so before committing, kailangan talaga may passion muna. Next one is drive to achieve. Siyempre, kung may gusto ko ng magic, di ba, gagawin mo lahat, kailangan determined ka. And after nun, I think is yung vision, which is yung ano man yung gusto mong mangyari in the future. And syempre, bago ko sa vision, yung sinabi ko muna ng tatlong traits bago, and ilang basta.
Tanong po.